ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল শিক্ষা নিবিড়। আমি চলে এসেছি আজকের ইইজি সেকেন্ড পেপার অর্থাৎ ইংলিশ অনার্স যাদের তাদের দ্বিতীয় পত্রের 11 তারিখ পাবলিশ হওয়া কোশ্চেন ব্যাংকের অ্যান্সারগুলো নিয়ে। 1 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, হোয়াট ডাজ দ্য ওয়ার্ড রিনাইসেন্স মিন? অ্যান্সার, রেবির্থ। 2 নম্বর, হু ওয়াজ মার্টিন লুথার? অ্যান্সার, leader of Reformation movement and the founder of Protestant Church. 3. The Reformation in England marked a tussle for authority between whom? Answer, Pope and English ruler King Henry VIII. 4. Colin Cloud is a character in which piece of literature? Answer, the Shakespeare's Calendar. 5. Who was the originator of the first English blank verse? Answer, Henry Howard, the Earl of Surrey. 6. How many sonnets did Shakespeare write? Answer, 154. 7. As what did the followers of Ben Jonson come to be known? Answer, Sons of Ben. 8. Songs and Sonnets is a collection of poems by whom? Answer, John Donne. 9. What was John Milton's pamphlet Areopagitica advocate? Answer, freedom of press. 10. Who famously said of William Shakespeare that of all modern and perhaps ancient poets he had the largest and most comprehensive soul? Answer, John Donne. 11. Who is Cupid according to Greek mythology? Answer, god of love. 12. Why does the speaker in Philip Sidney loving in truth spite himself? Answer, as all his efforts proved to be fruitless. 13. What does the concluding couplet of Shakespeare, shall I compare thee to a summer day celebrate? Answer, male friendship. 14. From where is a reference whatever dice was not mixed equally in John Donne's The Good Morrow Drawn? Answer, from the medieval science of alchemy. 15. In John Milton's On His Blindness, the concluding line, they also sharp who only stand and wait, is an example of what? Answer, epigram. 16. What does the word discourse mean in Francis Bacon's essay of studies? Answer, conversation or discussion in the art of oration. 17. Which garden does Bacon mention in the opening line of his essay of garden? Answer, Garden of Eden. 18. In Apology for Poetry, Philip Sidney categories poetry into 3 kinds. What are they? Answer, religious, philosophical and historical. 19. Where does the abdication skin the Edward II take place? Answer, Act 5 by Section 1. 20. Feared am I more that loved? Who says these words in Edward ill? Answer, Mortimer. 21. In which where was the famous first folly in Shakespeare's works registered? Answer, 1623. 22. Where does the action in Macbeth largely take place? Answer, Macbeth's castle. 23. How many times is Lady Macbeth mentioned in Holyhead, which is Shakespeare's source of Macbeth? Answer, only once. 24. Which character does not appear in Shakespeare's Macbeth? Answer, friends. 30. What aspect of gender does Shakespeare show is as you like it? Answer: cross-dressing. 31. When did the Glorious Revolution take place? Answer: 1688. 32. What characterized the Renaissance? Answer: humanistic philosophy, emergence of humanism. 33. In which year was the first book in English printed? Answer: 1473. 34. Why is the 1611 English translation of the Bible called King James Bible? Answer: it was commissioned by King James. 35. Why is the Elizabethan period called the Golden Age of English drama? Answer: noteworthy literary achievements were noticeable in the reign of Queen Elizabeth. 36. Who is usually referred to as the greatest non-dramatic poet in England? Answer: Edmund Spenser. 37. Who was the morning star of the Renaissance? Answer: John Wycliffe. 38. Spenser read no language. Who uttered this? Answer: Ben Jonson. 39. Which real life personality is implemented in the sonnets of Amoretti? Answer: Elizabeth Boyle. 40. Pamela and Philolia are characters of which literary piece? Answer: The Countess of Pembroke's Arcadia by Philip Sidney. 41. What characteristic feature of the Renaissance love sonnets was borrowed from the great classical master? Answer: melodious meter. 42. Who was poet of the Counter-Reformation? Answer: Richard Crashaw. 43. Then the worms shall try that long preserved virginity, and your quaint honor turn to dust and into ashes all my lust. In these lines, what is the poet trying to express? Answer: courtly of time, onslaught of time. 44. What is the subject matter of Jew of Malta? Answer: vengeance and retribution, by betrayal and revenge, religious hypocrisy, Machiavellian strategy. 45. Who has written Orlando Fury Show? Answer: Robert Greene. 46. How many plays by Shakespeare were included in the first Folly edited by John Humany and Henry Condell? Answer: 36. 47. In which play does the character Touchstone appear? Answer: As You Like It. 48. In which play does Jonson satirize the growing Puritanism of the day? Answer: Bartholomew Fire. 49. They baited hooks shall tangle me no more. In this line by Sir Thomas what figure of speech in bait hooks? Answer: metaphor. 50. Which Shakespearean sonnets are addressed to the fair youth? Answer: 18 and 73. 51. I shot feet horse to paint the blackhead's face to work. Answer: what literary tool is used in the expression the blackest face of woe? Answer: personification. 52. The Good Morrow is an example of Abbess. What is Abbess? Answer: a morning love song. 53. What does prosponia mean? Answer: personification. 54. So every defect to the mind may have a special receipt. What does receipt mean in this sentence by Bacon? Answer: cure বা remedy. 55. What is the first discourse in the Gospel of Matthew called? Answer: Sermon on the Mount. 56. Which critics comment is history well dramatized and morals 8:12? Answer: Tancock. আজ এই পর্যন্ত। আবার আসবো পরের ভিডিও নিয়ে, অন্য কোনো সাবজেক্টের অ্যান্সার নিয়ে। ভিডিওটি যদি হেল্পফুল বা ভালো হয় তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক, শেয়ার ও কমেন্ট করতে ভুলবেন না। আর আপনাদের কাছে কোনো কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সার যদি ভুল বলে মনে হয় তবে আপনারা সঠিক উত্তর দিয়ে কমেন্ট বক্সে জানাবেন। আর ভিডিওটিকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন বা আমার চ্যানেলটিকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করে অল নোটিফিকেশনে ক্লিক করবেন, যাতে সমস্ত তথ্য বা অ্যান্সার দিয়ে আমি আপনাদেরকে সাহায্য করতে পারি। নমস্কার।